Ever wonder how investors read a company's health? It all starts with understanding the three main financial reports. Analyzing these documents is like reading a medical chart for a business to see if it is growing or struggling. Investors focus on three key documents: the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement. By looking at these patterns, you can identify how a company earns money and manages its obligations. A common mistake is confusing revenue with profit. Revenue is what comes in, but profit is what actually stays. Charts help visualize growth. Seeing a steady upward trend is often more telling than a single year of results. Always remember that the most important details are often hidden in the fine print of the financial report. Take your time with these reports. Understanding the basics helps you make informed decisions. Thanks for watching and keep learning.